Hi, thanks for coming to my channel. This is the first video in a two-part series. What we're going to be working on is actually getting a character with animations, then putting it into Unreal Engine and replacing the default third-person character that they have. This is the first stepping stone to learning how to make your own games in Unreal Engine. To get started with, though, we'll go to mixamo.com. It's actually owned by Adobe. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for one free. Otherwise, you can log in. They do have a Google and Facebook type logins and Apple login, so it makes it easy for you. And once you get logged in, you'll see a screen similar to this. The character will probably be different than for what you have. You've probably got a basic mannequin. But what we'll do is we'll look up here, right next to the logo. There's going to be two buttons or tabs there. One's for characters and one's for animation. Let's go ahead and click on the character tab. And you'll see they have a whole list of characters, and there's about 3 pages worth of them. You can go through and select a character. Once you have a character selected you want to use, go ahead and click on the tab for animations. Now, there's going to be 5 key animations that we do want. We want to get basically an idle. Then we want to get a run forward, a walk backwards, and both left and right strafe on there. Those are the main ones you get, and then you can also download maybe a dance or something if you want to add that in at a later time. But to find them first, let's go ahead and go to the search box and we can type idle in. And they'll come up with all the different idle poses that they have in animations. You can just click through and find the one that you think works best with the character that you have. And in the case of this character, I find that this one is probably the best one on there. And after you have that, go ahead and click download on there. And this one here, you want to make sure you do download with skin. And you can either do 30 or 60 frames or 24, whichever your preference is. It doesn't matter. Make sure that it's on FBX. Then go ahead and click download. Now I've already downloaded this, so I'm not going to actually download it again. Then now after you have that downloaded, we can go back up here to the search again. And we can type in run forward. And then you can look through and find whichever one you think would be the best for your character. Once you click on one, though, it's very important. On the right-hand side there's going to be a little button that says in place. There's 2 reasons you want to do that. First, you can see the animation better. And second of all, in Unreal Engine, it will try to add that movement to the character, and it can cause issues. But once you have that in place there, go ahead and click download. This time, though, we want to change this to without skin, because we've already downloaded the skin once. We don't need to keep downloading it over and over again. So we'll go ahead and download that one. I've already done it, so I'm not going to actually download it. Then we want to go ahead and let's go with walk backwards. And there. Now they do have a run backwards, but nobody really runs backwards, so I don't ever usually go with that. And once again, we want to make sure we click the in place button, and then go ahead and go to download, and everything should just remain the same. Go ahead and click your download. And then we'll go ahead and type in the right strafe. And once you find a strafe that you like, you can just kind of check different ones, make sure you have in place there. You can either have a walking or you can do like a running type strafe in there. And I preferably, actually, to me, is this one, but I've already got these downloaded. But you go ahead and do the download, make sure without skin, and then do the same thing for left strafe. And you want to try and find one that matches what you've already got. And that one kind of matches what I had there, so you can go ahead and download that one. And then finally, let's go ahead and let's see, we got the run forward. Okay, let's go ahead and do a dance. They have all sorts of different dances that you can get. I'm going to go ahead and actually go with the chicken dance for this one. And without skin. And this one I have not downloaded, so I went ahead and downloaded it from there. And basically now we should have all of the animations and the character that we need that we can plug into Unreal Engine to override their default third-person mannequin. That will be coming in a very near future video. At this point, I'm going to end this one. If you do like the video, be sure to click the like button. Also, hit the subscribe down there and bell icon if you want to be notified when my other videos do come out. Thank you for watching.